Hey guys, welcome to Mow, Sow, and Grow, and today we're going to find out if my Kioti CK2610 has enough power to clear land. This is decades of overgrowth. Let's do this. I want to clear this area up because it's full of dead trees that are either still standing or laying on the ground in a twisted mess. It's also full of invasive honeysuckle and autumn olive. So far, the Kioti and the Homestead Grapple combination has really impressed me for a tractor with under 25 horsepower. I can pick up large logs and rip invasive honeysuckle and autumn olive right out of the ground, roots and all. I'm using my big tool rack to carry my small chainsaw, a blower to clean the radiator screen, and also for ballast. It weighs 300 pounds just by itself and can carry up to 600 pounds. My goals after I get this cleaned up are to build a 9-hole disc golf course just for me, my wife, and friends. And maybe if this channel really takes off, I'll build a golf green right back here with several tees throughout the property. Subscribe and maybe we'll get to that milestone. See, I got a decent amount done today. Thanks for coming along with me on the start of this long process. If you like this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Mow, Sow, and Grow, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks. I just ripped this honeysuckle right out of the ground. This nasty, spiky thing out of here. Covered in poison ivy. Oh, there you go.